everyone, this is Peachy and welcome back to Daiso Girl! Today I want to show you how to cook eggs in the microwave. If you want to make a quick bento but have no time like me, then this is the perfect solution for you. So let's get started! First, we'll be making egg sheets. Go ahead and crack an egg and whisk. Add 2 tablespoons to the tray and spread it out. Microwave for 20 seconds. Next, I'll be making a sunny side up egg. Crack an egg in the mold and add 1 teaspoon of water. Microwave for 80 seconds. Carefully slide along the edges to loosen the egg. Lastly, we'll be making egg cakes. Crack an egg in the container. And whisk. Microwave for 40 seconds. Now season the egg as you like and whisk again. Microwave for another 40 seconds. Place a yellow container on top of the egg and clip it shut. After 1 minute, take out the egg and it'll be perfectly molded. Ta-da! All ready for Daiso Dude. I hope you enjoyed today's microwave cooking episode. If you have any creations of your own, I'd love to see them, so please tag me in them on Instagram. I'm about to go feed Daiso Dude now. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. I hope you have a peachy day, because Daiso Girls out!